Finally, the most awaited news is in front of you. Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. The students of class 9, 10, 11 and 12 will be allowed to go to their school from 21st September. The students of class 9 to 12 will be too much happy to know that their school will reopen from 21st September. This news is published in the web portal of Assam Career. Center issues SOP Standard Operating Procedure for partial reopening of schools for class 9 to 12 from 21st September. The students of class 9 to 12 will be too much happy to know that their school will start from 21st September, but they can't go there as usual. They have to follow some rules and regulations, but not only by the students. These rules and regulations should be followed by all the teachers and non-teaching staffs also. So some rules and regulations are there before entering the school. All the students, teacher and non-teaching staff should know the rules and regulations before entering their educational institutions. So the rules and regulations are: this include physical distancing of at least 6 feet to be allowed. All the students, teacher and non-teaching staff should have to maintain the physical distancing. Use of face cover. All the students, teaching and non-teaching staff should use face cover masks. This is mandatory to be used. Frequent hand washing with soap. Everyone should have to wash their hand frequently, and when hands are not visible dirty, use of alcohol based sanitizers can be done wherever feasible. Respiratory etiquettes to be strictly followed. This involves strict practice of covering one's mouth and nose, coughing, sneezing with a tissue handkerchief, flex elbow and disposing of used tissues properly. Self-monitoring of health by all and reporting any illness at earliest. When you will feel that your health condition is not good, you have to monitor, better to say you have to monitor your health by yourself. Whenever you will feel uneasy or you will feel that you are not physically feel fit, you have to inform to the authority. Spitting shall be strictly prohibited. Spitting shall be strictly prohibited. No one can spit anything. Installation and use of Arogya Setu app may be advised wherever feasible. It means Arogya Setu app should be installed properly. Everyone should use this app. As you know that this app will give us the updates of COVID-19. So these rules and regulations all of you should have to follow while you will enter your educational institute. And I am very much happy to know that all the students of class 9, 10, 11 and 12 will be allowed to go to their school from 21st September. And so many other rules and regulations are there to be followed by students, teaching and non-teaching staffs. The details link you will get in the description. You click on the description and you read all the rules and regulations before 21st September. So after a long days, we are very much happy to know that our colleges, our schools, our educational institute will start from 21st September. And really it's a great news for all the students. So thank you very much guys.